Well done.
Steve?
Hi Sam.
Hiya.
Right.
Nice to meet you finally.
Nice to meet you as well. Spoke so many times.
Am I signed in?
Yeah, we've got your IVs first. We've got you signed in.
Okay, great stuff.
So we'll get straight into it, eh?
Yeah, lovely.
We'll have a look at the plant.
Great stuff.
Thanks, Sandra.
Picked a good day for it.
All right, yeah. I don't mind you fetching good weather.
So the company's been here for quite a while, but you were based somewhere else at one point, were you?
Yeah, we were in Ramsbottom, a little place called Stubbins, and 1947 they bought this place because of its special water quality.
Yeah.
Prior to us buying it, I think it was an ammunitions place in the war.
Oh, right, okay.
And prior to that, it was a dye works.
Yeah.
So a bit of history here, yeah.
Yeah,
well,
probably.
This is our boiler, Simon, so...
Okay, shall we have a look?
Yeah, let's go in there.
Great. Thanks. Right, Steve, well, it's great to see the plant. It's been nice to have a little tour around the place and see the boiler room and everything that's been put in place. Just tell us a bit more about Union Papertech as a business and exactly what you do, just really for my benefit.
We're part of the Purico group. And we specialise on this site in tea bag and coffee bag papers.
Okay.
And that's basically, we're into specialist long fibre technology. Tea bags don't degrade in water. I mean, there have to be some special things in there to stop it from breaking up when it gets into water. So, and that's what we specialise in, really.
Okay.
That's our main core business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And as a company, how long has it been going as a business doing this in this industry?
With this site here, we've been here since 1947. Well before that, we were into the tea bag market. The old company was a family company who started in the 1800s, and basically we're still going from that.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been into that. That's our core business, and it has been for a long while.
Okay. Yeah. And so, as within the actual group itself, how does the company fit into the group? I believe it's a part of a much bigger group of organisations.
Yeah. We've got companies all over the world. We've got other tea bag manufacturers, cigarette manufacturers out in China. We've got a couple of mills in this country, Devon Valley and ourselves. We're also into the plastics business, but we've got lots of little companies as well around the place, into all kinds of things.
Yeah. So you're in charge of everything that's based around the energy efficiency and CO2s and everything to do with the business.
Yeah, that's my remit.
Okay. And as far as on the actual site itself, as far as the project goes, you've had two of Maxsys Fuel Systems fitted to the SARC burners that you have in the Mexicon boiler in the boiler room. We've just been along to see those, and obviously you're quite pleased with the results. I mean, there's what sort of energy efficiency are you actually seeing?
When we first put the system in, we were very sceptical about what energy savings we were going to get from this system. Fortunate for us, we had a little system up our back where we could monitor the actual gas usage going into the boiler.
Oh, right, okay.
And we've got that on a trend package. So we wanted to see something move on our system.
Yeah.
You know, no matter what Maxsys told us, we would see something, either positive, negative, or things would stay the same, we would see it.
Yeah.
And the graph itself, if you look at the blue one, this is our boiler house gas usage. So we're running along merrily until we put the units in. Now we shut down on certain grades and we started up on the same grades, but as you can see, there's significant savings on our energy usage going into the boiler.
You've noticed
when we started back up.
You noticed that instantly then?
Yeah. So
that's good.
we actually saw a big positive thing there, which we were happy with.
Okay.
Together with what Maxsys, they give us graphs which showed us we were saving 5.8. That is actually in the 6% region itself,
Yeah.
as we calculate it. So we're quite happy with them, yeah.
And you've seen a reduction in CO2s, obviously, at the same time.
CO2s are directly linked with energy usage, so the 5%, 6% saving we're seeing on our energy, and we're also, we're also getting those savings in CO2 emissions.
Yeah.
So we're quite happy with that as well.
Very good. And as far as the return on investment, you're happy with the deal that was struck? And
our particular deal was we would pay for the systems monthly out of the profits.
Yeah.
So we don't actually pay anything for this piece of kit, and we have a little bit of profit to ourselves at the same time.
All good.
So we're quite happy with that.
Yeah.
Yep.
And I believe you've had since the installation here, you've had another installation elsewhere. Is that right?
Yes, we've as part of the group we have another paper mill in the UK. These systems have been fitted on those boilers, and we've also got paper mills out in China. I believe they're looking into installing magnets and things on those kits as well.
Okay.
So
that's all good. And as far as the installation go with Maxsys Fuel Systems, I take it from what you've already told me that you're quite pleased with the way the whole thing went from start to finish. Can you tell us about tell us about the actual installation itself? And
yeah, the installation went very well in the fact that we never actually experienced any downtime in modifying the gas pipe work. The way we actually installed one unit while we run the other burner and then swapped over and installed. We never actually lost any downtime, so that's a big bonus these days.
Yeah.
We were able to keep the machines going, paper coming off the paper machines, and do all this work without anybody knowing, really.
Fantastic.
So
you're really pleased with the way that they handled the installation?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. And the backup service and how you'd actually deal with Maxsys on a daily basis?
On the installation, we were kept fully informed of what was going on there. Everything was agreed up front. As they've been installed, the good thing about these units are they're maintenance free. We don't actually, once they're installed, you just turn your back on them and walk away.
Yeah.
Initially, that was a worry for me, just how much maintenance was involved with these things.
Yeah.
Big positive again.
Yeah.
Zero maintenance. It's good.
Fantastic.
And again, we get regular phone calls, see how they're going, make sure everything's fine. If they would be the first to know if there was something not right.
So it's all positive?
Yeah, all positive.
Great stuff. Okay, well, thank you very much for seeing me today, Steve. It's been great.
No, you're welcome, Simon. Yeah.
And hopefully I'll see you again.
Yeah, thanks very much.
A lot. Take care.
Thank you.